Our Kenmore dryer, model 110-9772-21702 was no longer heating up. After some research, we determined it was the thermal fuse. So we ordered this BlueStars replacement to get things back up and running. This inexpensive part is the most common solution for dryers that suddenly stop heating or won't start at all. Let's go ahead and get it installed. We've removed the old one, so you can see the open slot where it goes. The nice part is you can just remove the bottom front panel to access the fuse. Now, we merely connect the new fuse to the wires in the same manner as the original. This fuse is engineered to fit an extensive range of brands, including Whirlpool, Kenmore, Maytag, KitchenAid, and Roper. Once seated in the slot, there is a small hex screw that fastens it in place. We put that back and hand tighten it a bit. Here you can see where it goes. We then use a small ratchet to fasten it securely in place. A couple of things to note as we do this. First, make sure you have unplugged the dryer before performing this repair. Second, this fuse acts as a one-time safety switch that blows to prevent fire when internal temperatures exceed safe limits. Often, a blown fuse is a symptom of a clogged dryer vent, so take this opportunity to also vacuum the exhaust vent and blower housing while you have the unit open for repair. Third, hand tighten to make sure the fuse has flat contact with the duct, but don't over-torque, as you don't want to crack the plastic base. Now, with everything completed, you can see what the fuse in place should look like. We then plug the dryer back in and give it a test. Running a cycle, with the new fuse in place, the dryer should start heating again. With the front panel still off, you can see the burner start glowing, blowing warm air into the dryer. We hope you found this video informative.